It's your boy Be Real. Yeah, it's my new little side hustle, you know what I mean? You know, the hashtag. We do it. You know what I mean? Check me out. Watch repair. You know what I'm talking about? Got all the pieces that you need to get the watches repaired. You know what I mean? Batteries. You know what I mean? All the tools you need, screws, gadgets, and all that. You know what I mean? It's your boy Be Real. Hashtag we do it. Watch repair.